Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to automate your Fundbox withdrawals. You want to save time and streamline your cash flow. Fundbox lets you automate withdrawals so that you can get funds when you need them without having to lift a finger. Here's how to set it up. First step is going to be to sign into your Fundbox account. So head over to fundbox.com and log into your account using your business profile. Once you're in, the next step is to go to settings or automation section. Now in your dashboard, just look for an option that's labeled automations or auto draw, or you can find that under settings preferences. Once you're there, turn on auto draw feature. So just go ahead and enable the toggle or checkbox that activates the automated withdrawals. Next step is to set your condition. So now you can choose your preferences, which is of course going to include the draw amounts, the frequency, as well as the trigger. Next step is to link your destination account. Now make sure that your bank account is correctly linked. This is where the fund is going to be deposited automatically. Once that's done, the final step is to save settings. So click save or activate automations to lock that in. A couple of important things to note here. The first is to make sure that your available credit covers your auto draw settings. Otherwise, you're not going to receive that. Second, you're going to still receive notifications whenever an automation draw is triggered. Lastly, you can pause or disable automations anytime from the same menu. With automated draws, Fundbox does the heavy lifting for you. If you like this video, tap that like button and hit subscribe for more small business funding tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.